Congrats, Jain, for getting job.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your past out year?
2013.
So, what were you doing from past 2 years?
From past 2 years, I was searching for job,
Okay.
and I tried in government jobs,
Okay.
but I couldn't get through.
Okay.
I even tried in technical jobs,
Okay.
but probably my technical knowledge was not that good.
Okay.
So you can say that's why I didn't get job from
Okay.
last.
How do you came to know about BRN?
Actually, I was searching for means I knew that my technical knowledge is not that good, so I have to take training from some institute.
Okay.
So I was searching for some technical institutes,
Okay.
means where I can not only get good knowledge but also good practice.
Okay.
So I was searching in net for institutes and technical training institutes,
Okay.
and then one day I got a mail
Okay.
from BR Infotech. So I really didn't knew about it, but then I went through the websites,
Okay.
and in website I saw that there is like a very unique program, training program, and all those things. So I thought let's have a try. So that's why I went here. I came here means so I came here in September actually.
Okay.
Actually I came in September, so that's how I got information about it.
Okay. So, have you ever expected, after 2 years of struggle, these 4 months already you got the job. Have you ever expected, that you are going to get a job in these 4 years, 4 months of training?
At the beginning means you can never tell, because even I have in my BTech or after that I did means one technical course, but at the beginning you can't tell whether you will get or not.
Okay.
Because at the beginning means even the training institutes will tell that we will provide you with job opportunity, all those things, you will be getting this and that.
Okay.
So I was not sure,
Okay.
even though I was through the website and all the things, but you can't be sure
Okay.
about anything.
Yes, yes.
You can say without experiencing, you cannot tell that
Okay.
whether it will be good or not. But in September, I came for one week.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
1 week, and it was very good. I really liked the curriculum and all the practice means hours you are getting, all the things. So I really liked in September. I really liked it. But at that time, because at that time I had some money issues,
Okay.
but I was very sure that even anyhow I have to do the technical course.
Okay.
So anytime I will come here only. So I was
Okay.
very sure. So after that, after arranging money in the next 4 months,
Okay.
I joined here in
Okay.
January.
Okay.
So I was very sure. Means when I joined in January, I was very sure that what I am going to get.
Right.
It was not like September that I didn't know anything.
Okay.
So then I came in January again. After January, I took again the same 1 week demo. Then after that, we started learning. We learned very new concepts, and means when you go through the curriculum and when you go through means monthly by month, day by day, week by week, you will understand means what you are changing,
What kind of
how
progress?
you are getting, how you are learning the new concepts and all the things. So in 4 months, at the beginning I really didn't have, I was not sure. I know that already so many students have got jobs, so they must be having some really good curriculum and those things. But at the beginning I was not sure that whether I will be getting a job or not. But after doing 4 months of training, I was very sure.
Okay.
Within 4 months of training, I was sure that I will get job somewhere.
Okay.
So that job was not a problem for me.
Okay. Already you got the job, by June 1st onwards, your juniors are replacing you guys.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you suggest to those juniors?
I will say anybody who is looking for a new institute, especially training, because many students are doing training.
Okay.
I knew because our university system is like that. You don't learn that much,
Okay.
especially in your colleges. So if you are trying to looking for a new institute,
Okay.
especially after even your completion or of your BTech or your university level, so I will say just come to BRN, have a look, interact with the students which are here, interact with all the people here, and then after that, after interacting all the things, if you are satisfied, then you it means take 1 week. You have full 1 week means demo sessions here. Usually go to other institutes, you will see 1 hour demo, 2 hour demo, and after that, okay, you want to join, you join. So here it's not like that. You come and there is a full week of programming training, and you will not be asked to pay anything. You just come here and just attend that 1 week, demo classes, interact with the students. You will get to learn everything about the air and water.
Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.